What's up?
What's up?
So we're changing up the fuel system, eh?
Yes.
Did we already talk about this in a previous video? About how you're going to change this up, or
we just mentioned
that you wanted to?
Yeah, we didn't say that we were doing a whole lot. I have quite a bit I got to do. So my fuel cell doesn't have a strap in the center on the bottom.
Okay.
So it's been kind of sagging. So I want to take some expanded metal and put it in there. But what we're doing today is we're getting rid of the dual external pumps.
Okay.
And we're going to do a single internal pump. We already have it in here. I'm going to pull it out so you guys can see what I got.
What single pump did you go with?
A World War 450.
All right.
450 with, it's ethanol rated. Because you can get one that's not and one that is. So
oh, really?
It's ethanol. What? Okay. Here you go. It's enough to support the power that we're going for, and it's internal. When I first did this, I wanted an internal pump, but I couldn't find like a hanger setup for a fuel cell that wasn't, you know, $500-600. And then they all came with a pump, and none of the pumps were big enough for what I wanted to do. So then I would have to step up to like a dual hanger with 2 pumps, and those were like $1,000.
Jeez.
This one was $100. It's made in Texas. It's a standard 12 bolt, so it'll go into any 12 bolt hole, and it comes with an 8AN in and an 8AN out. We're not using the return because we have our 6 return here. We have our vent line there, so we're just going to use 8 out, and we're going to be able to get rid of this Y and all this extra line, and it'll just go from here to there. So much simpler, much more reliable.
Well, let's pull that thing out. It's a pretty good setup.
It's nice because it's completely adjustable from, you know, all the way up here to all the way down to here. So you can make it really short or really tall depending on what size your fuel cell is. It comes with the 2 clamps to hold on your pump, comes with the bolts, comes with the ring that's in here. It comes with a cork gasket, which is over there somewhere.
And you used the rubber gasket that came with the
Yeah, I used the rubber
tank
gasket that came with this fuel cell. And then these are 8AN slip-ons, so that's nice. You can slip your hose on. All that's good. We're gonna go to Jim Mom Pops in a little bit, buddy. Not yet. So what I bought the fuel pump, which was $100 or 120, whatever they are. I bought a World War 450 install kit, which came with this pigtail that comes through here. Came with this filter, came with the hose, and came with both clamps. And then I got the pump, and then I got the hanger. So it's a pretty nice little setup. You set it up in here. Oh, one thing. The reason there's a zip tie here, the lock broke on the install kit. So the pump's part's good, but the other part, the lock broke. So I put a zip tie on there, hold it in.
Oh, right on.
But you set this in.
I use a zip tie to hold my fuel pump onto my hanger.
The other nice thing is this has the filler neck in it too. A lot of the hangers didn't. You have to put in a second place to fill your tank.
So you're gonna put in a hole in your bed?
Yeah,
for that?
I'm gonna cut a small hole in the bed, and I'd like to make a door.
Levi, leave those right there.
So and then you can clock this in any orientation you want. I want it basically straight, so that's where it goes. We'll have a link to the hanger down below because I think it's super useful. What are you doing, Punk? Get out of here.
Yeah, it seemed like a pretty good price for what it is. Like, it's pretty nice. And you said the other ones were what, like $600?
Yeah.
Dang,
Really?
dude,
Like
that's
$600.
crazy.
Now, that being said, this one doesn't have a baffle or anything, and the other ones came with like a foam cylinder and then a rubber baffle on the bottom to keep the fuel in there. Huh. Which is really nice, but is it worth $500? I feel
Probably
like it's
not.
easier just to keep your tank full.
Yeah.
You know.
Can you do it like that?
Yep. Did you get on it?
Nope. Like that?
It doesn't have to be tight, buddy. We're gonna use this to make it tight.
Oh, it's tight already.
Oh. Alright, put those two on.
Two.
You're gonna turn it.
I'm trying.
Okay.
Put it with that.
Yep.
And put it on.
Yep. Alright, the yellow. Do the last one.
So,
We are going to hold on to these pumps just in case we need
Oh,
them
yeah.
for a future project. You never know.
That one off.
you got one? Nice job.
Yeah. Dad, I got a ball. Dad.
Good job, buddy.
Mm-hmm. How's the thing off? Thing is off. I like it. The nail. Like this.
Where we at?
Basically everything's done.
What?
Yep.
We missed it all.
Missed it all. I mean, there wasn't much to do. The big
No.
thing was taking everything off. I had to put a coupler here. I had to shorten up this line and make it a 90 instead of a 45.
Because you're 6 AN over there and then 8 AN over here,
No,
right?
no, these are both 8.
Oh, are they?
Both my feeds were 8.
Oh, okay.
But I had the Y coupler here,
Oh, okay.
so I had to get rid of that.
Oh,
So
right
I
on.
have this single coupler now.
God, because who wants to remake freaking fuel lines?
Yeah, exactly.
It's absolutely no fun.
So we got that coupler there. Got that. The only thing that's left is to wire it.
Wire it up,
But
and you're wiring it straight to your switch, right?
it's right here to this relay.
Dang, you just got to wire it to that wire?
Yeah.
Well, that's too
And
easy.
like hook this ground up.
God, is that even worth a video? Yes, yes, it is worth a video, YouTube.
The only reason like we were making this video is because of this hanger. Like that is what to take away from.
Yeah, we
this.
want to tell you about that hanger.
If you
Because
need
it's
one of
super
those,
cool, super dope.
Pick one up. Because this is so much easier than running, 2 of these. Because these only come so big,
Yeah.
and these are hard to find in high pressure.
Okay.
You can find them in low pressure easy, but
Yeah,
high
for like
pressure's hard to
carburetors and
find.
stuff.
Yeah, for carbies. And then they're external, which is unreliable in itself.
Hey, you can't have a pet name for carburetors because you don't even like them. You can't call them carbies. You must call them carburetors.
No, they're carbies.
You call them by their God-given name,
Junk,
their
yeah.
official name.
Okay, so you run those low pressure for junk, and then you get high pressure ones for fuel injection.
Hey, I'm gonna be running a carb in the Mustang, dude. Don't hate. We're gonna race. I'm gonna get my carbureted Mustang out here, and then this thing right here, we're gonna turn this boost up, and we're gonna race.
Well, you have to turn the boost up.
Hey, we're gonna turn the boost up.
We'll put it on the braking too.
What a dick.
Alright guys, so I had to work the last couple days. It's been a couple days, but got it all wired up. So there it is, it works. I gotta tidy up the wires a little bit, gonna zip tie them over here, whatever. But yeah, if you guys need to put an in-tank pump in your fuel cell, we'll have that part down in the description. Thanks for hanging out with us, and stay tuned. This is going to the tuner this week, hopefully.